That's exactly the problem. This is exactly the problem.
اسمع לא, תתחיל מחדש את המראה, כנראה שלא סילמתי.
אוקיי, עוד אפשר עוד פעם מחדש. אוקיי, אפשר להתחיל?
כן.
The problem is when it is not full throttle it's fine, when it is full throttle it starts to barking. This is exactly the problem. You see that the smoke is fine, so I believe that I have the feeling that it's not too lean, but this is the symptom. This is exactly the symptom. Change gear very good. That's the problem. This is exactly the problem. I want to show it again. And now I'm not on full throttle. When I put full throttle, this is exactly the problem. That's the problem. Now they're about half a tank in this case now. I'll try to show it again. It's not full throttle now, we change gear okay. When I put full throttle, oops, braking. This is the problem, that's all. How far is it go?